Hello everyone. I'm making this for my students, but this is also a general tutorial. So when finding charts from the thousands of charts that I have on file, both charts that come with SolarFire and then my own long client list, there's a great search feature that allows us to really pinpoint specifically. So for the mentorship add-on assignments that I have for my students, this week it's Jupiter in Aries in the sixth house. So I want to see if there are any good chart examples that I have in file of Jupiter in Aries in the sixth house. Let me show you. Go to this little binocular over here. So you just basically pick point or cusp Jupiter, and let's say in the sixth house. Okay. Let's clear the old modifiers. So I'm going to clear the last list. Okay. So Jupiter in the sixth, I'm adding. Okay, it's added. Now I'm going to change it to in sign Jupiter in Aries. There we go. I'm going to add that. So we have Jupiter in the sixth and Jupiter in Aries. So I'm not going to show you this list, but I'm going to click search here and it's going to give me a list of every single chart I have in this software, thousands, right? Amongst those, who has Jupiter in Aries in the sixth house? So of the list, there are many people that I saw, mostly clients, but I saw several well-known people. Woodrow Wilson was one of them. So here's Woodrow Wilson's chart, and you can see Jupiter in Aries in the sixth house. So it's a very useful tool. I'm going to put a link in the description. I am an affiliate of SolarFire. So if you want to buy the software, it's really great for astrologers. It's really great if you want to be able to collect data and do all the things that one would want to do with an astrology chart. Use the coupon code AMW15 to get 15% off of your purchase, which I think is like $45 or something like that. I also get a commission from that as well. So it supports me as well. All right. Thank you for watching.